My name is Catherine and I'm from Reuters in Pakistan. One of the things that we report on a lot there is the difficulties faced by the community there. Can you tell me if the community faces any of those difficulties here in the UK at all?
No, we are not facing any difficulty here in UK. This is why I am here. Had it been here, I would not have been staying here. We had to leave because, this country is the country where there's a freedom of religion. But in Pakistan, you live there, you know there very well. You have been there for some time. That under the umbrella of some obnoxious laws, any person can take sword and kill anybody. So this situation is not here, and I hope it will never be here. And I pray